Welcome back to day 6 of Secret Distractions, 12 days of Christmas. I hope you guys are feeling Christmassy in the spirit.
Yeah.
Make sure you're watching all our videos, especially the ones that are coming out after this. And if you haven't watched any of the ones before, definitely go watch those ones.
Less than a week away from Chrysler now.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Chrysler.
But I hope you guys have been indulging in food, movies, everything else. It's that time of the year where everyone just unwinds and enjoys existing a little bit more than they usually do, because it's long. Living is long.
It is.
But today we're going to be watching funny British animal voiceovers. I saw this video come up a couple of days ago and it's about 14, almost 15 years old, this video. So it might be some kind of content that we saw as kids growing up, whether you were like on Instagram or Vine, and they had like the stupid commentaries over animals doing stuff. They used to do all the time with like the BBC like nature documentary stuff where they had like normal people just talking over.
Yeah.
But I love when they did like a comedy spin on it and they were like, I don't know, two things were fighting. It's like, oh, you have it, oh, blah, blah, blah. And it could be like a kangaroo fighting each other. I like watching those kind of stupid clips, but as we've gotten older, they don't really exist or get made.
Nowadays you get TikToks of people filming their pets or whatever, and then them voicing.
Got the AI Sora just making absolute like mincemeat of people, because you see like those ones with the cats like fighting off like hawks or those big birds of prey, and you're like, this could be real, but it's definitely not, because those birds would have yanked that cat and they're gone. Bye bye.
Or you know those ones where you got the what's it called? You, yeah. What's your name? Fuck you. What's your name? Like,
what?
Do you not know that one?
No. But of course, before we get into today's video, make sure you guys do leave a like, comment, subscribe. Go check out the rest of the videos in our 12 Days of Christmas playlist, and of course, stay subscribed for the ones that are coming out tomorrow, the day after that, the day after that one. You know how I'm saying.
The new year, you know the drill.
You know the drill. So go do that. Leave a comment as well, especially about what you want to see from us in the new year. We've got loads of stuff we want to start doing, things we're planning in the pipeline. So leave a comment down below. It could be anything, gaming, reaction, whatever it's going to be. So leave that down below and we'll get to it for the new year. And let's just go straight into this funny British animal voiceovers, because everyone loves a British accent for some reason.
Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime!
So you can't see me.
Nighttime! Daytime!
What are you doing?
Having a game of nighttime, daytime. You want to play?
I don't know why, but I don't seem to have a lot of luck with women. I mean, I'm kind, I'm caring, I'm...
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
They sound how they look. And also, you know how like sometimes birds do make that kind of... It's like,
Yeah.
It's like I don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
I think the cat wants to get up.
She's tapping me. She's tapping me.
You going fishing?
I'm going fishing.
Going cat fishing. Oi, we're trying to record over here. Oi.
Alan! Alan!
Alan.
Alan!
Alan!
Alan! Alan!
This is legendary,
Ow.
man. Ow! This needs its own segment, because Alan is legendary, yeah? Because if anyone watches Real Civil Engineer, last year when he was doing Polybridge 3 videos, we were watching them religiously.
And also religiously, like every single video that he posted at Polybridge, you knew there was going to be an Alan meme in there.
Just
And every time
wait
we'd
for
be
it.
waging our bets, like waiting for the moment it happens, and I don't know.
something about Alan ESV.
Yeah.
Alan! Ow!
Oh.
Ow! Alan!
How?
It's just legendary.
Every time we
Like, I don't think you could name a kid Alan now.
No,
It's peak.
I mean, to be fair, it'd be fun shouting it. But no,
Ow!
it's definitely ruined the name.
Alan!
Alan! Alan! Alan! Al! Alan!
She's all neck and legs. Look at her.
Oh, I am looking at her.
Stop looking at her.
I've always thought giraffes'
just
legs are
told us
just
to look
too
at her.
skinny
Ow!
for a podden.
Oh!
Oh.
That's right, me throat, that.
So,
John, I don't think we're allowed
Close your
to
own
wee.
people.
next
It's
song,
fine,
so
just
then-
keep a lookout. What was that? That was me zip. Whoa! Where did all these come from? You know me, lads, I can't wee with an audience. Alan! Alan!
Again!
Alan! 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 I'm Wolverine! I'm Sabretooth! Wolverine! Sabretooth! Wolverine! Sabretooth!
They look like kind of puppies.
You can't get me on
That's what
Like the
they're called,
face.
sea pups.
Get in.
It makes sense why they're called
They're
sea
called
pups.
sea pups.
But it's like the face, like the neck and everything looks very dog-like. The rest of it ain't dog-like at all, but
They're called sea puppies for a reason. You can see.
yeah, you can
They're
see.
playful. They're I don't
It's
know.
one thing you notice as you get older, things start making more sense. With like, as a kid, you kind of would just go, with, "Oh, that's why it's called that." Then when you think about it as an adult, you're like, "Oh, yeah, it makes sense."
I mean, it's just like in every sort of kids movie. They've got so many adult jokes that you only start understanding when you're,
Now it yourself.
a bit older.
Shrek.
And so you start understanding bits like this, like why people call them sea puppies.
Cheer up, Trev. I'm all right, Bernie. Here, gag for you. This fella and a giraffe walk into a bar. Giraffe goes to sleep on the floor. Barman says, "Oi, what's that lion there?" Fella says, "It's not a lion, it's a giraffe."
Oh, the actual animals.
Giraffe, you crack me up, Trev.
You just like to open wide, sir. Okay. You going anywhere nice on your holidays?
Please don't vomit or do something.
Don't try and talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir. My wife and I are thinking of going abroad this year. Dudley. She's got family in the zoo over there. You got kids?
Very intimate.
Please don't talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir. Is it mainly bananas you eat? I won't tell you again, sir. Please don't try and speak when I'm working inside your mouth.
Oh, that's terrible.
Oh, God, that is
God, you're gonna
rank.
die.
I think I need to lie down.
That was terrible.
This is a good little cut. Where's Alan?
Alan!
There he is.
Alan!
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 Ow! Ow!
Excuse me, mate. I think you're in my stand. Could you move?
No, I'm not
I'm here
moving. You
sick
move.
days.
Are you going to move or not?
No.
Oh, that's what Theo does.
Right.
Whoa,
Your
get
space
off.
is actually
Just
mine.
move, will ya?
That's like a typical fight with siblings, or
Yeah.
our
I
dog.
was on the PC first. Or whatever the
It's
argument's
like
going to be.
when for some, when you've got designated seats in your parents' car, and the left and right, whatever.
Yep.
I used to have the front seat because my sister would go in the back, and then she'd lunge to get into the front, and I'd start fighting.
Meow. Alright, we've got to let the kitty cat out.
Pause.
Literally.
Sid.
Who's that?
This is your conscience, Sid.
What?
You've been a very naughty boy,
Oh my
Sid.
God.
I ain't.
Leaving them banana skins on the floor so
Hey?
people slipped on them.
No, I didn't.
Gets him every time. Alan!
Alan!
Alan! Alan! Alan! Al!
Shouldn't have had that 12th coffee. I can't even blink anymore, and I can hear my heartbeat in my ears. I don't get it. Mary had the same as me, and she went to bed hours ago.
Tell me about it. I tried to go to bed, but then I ended up bringing one of those late-night quiz thingies. Name something a woman keeps in her handbag.
Oh, is that? You know what? When you stay up late nights nowadays, it's scrolling on TikTok. But back in the day when this video came out, I'd be on BuzzFeed doing BuzzFeed quizzes about I need to find out what Harry Potter house I am. I need to know exactly which I don't know, which celebrity I am most like.
Oh, crap. Those are throwbacks.
Yeah, and then once you started on that BuzzFeed quiz scroll and answering sesh, you end up getting
Bombarded.
enthralled in it. You get your entire existence like, I need to know my answer to all of these. I need to know. And then obviously you can't go to sleep because back then it wasn't TikTok doom scrolling, it was doom quiz
Doom
answering.
searching.
Yeah. Do.
My guy's gliding. Oh.
Oh, Kevin, that's a lovely tribute.
Oh, so that's not Alan.
Alan!
Steve, that's Steve.
Oh, Steve.
Oh.
Steve!
I miss these sort of good old jokes.
This was before like everything became so commercialized, or like TikTok and Instagram and everything just has kind of made everything so not like accessible, but there's always like another funny cat video, another funny dog video. But these were like back in the day where people had to not put effort in because all it is people just doing voiceovers, but like
Yeah.
it was just simplicity, man. Like content used to be so much different, and like that was just the time where things were just in its infancy. There was no craziness with influencers and streaming and everything. It was just a nice simple world. You put a funny video up, ha 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 ha. Okay, cool. We move on. That was it.
We got
We got that.
Nowadays we got AI. Now we can't decipher when it's a video, an animal video, and you have to try and guess whether it's an AI video of these animals doing funny things or it's an actual video. And the comments are now just trying to figure it out.
Is this AI or not? Yeah, that's like
Yeah.
most of the things, and you're getting bamboozled now, like more occasionally throughout the week. Like you'll go through TikTok or whatever, you go, this could have been real, but like, why would the person not come from this? Why would, like, you end up questioning so much stuff. It's like AI content is cool to some extent, but like I really don't enjoy the fact how much more it's being posted versus like actual real life events or things that are happening, or like real life funny stuff. Like anyone can make an AI video now and it's just gonna do numbers, and it's like that's not really that cool. Like
I mean,
I don't know.
given is some animal AI videos are funny when you can clearly tell it's AI.
Yeah.
Like I've had dogs sat at a poker table playing poker and obviously they have some random dog joke in the middle. That you can tell it's AI, and I can tell it's it's funny. I mean, sometimes, you know, but depending what sort of level of... Yeah, depending on the state of mind, an AI video can be very funny.
Yeah.
Because you might be, you know, delusional from lack of sleep, and that's when they hit the best. Especially the random dog poker videos. I don't know why they keep showing up on my page.
We hope you guys enjoyed today's little laugh along with some kind of funny, stupid... I don't think it was too British, like, voiceovers, really. I felt like it was just a bit of everything. Like I couldn't tell. It was like when they would like a overly sophisticated British accent and there's someone drinking tea and crumpets and all that stuff. It wasn't like that. It was just dumb, funny content, which is probably era of 14, 15 years ago, where 2009, 2010-ish, whatever. Things were pretty simple and cool back then, man.
Yeah, you just need to do a voiceover over some mediocre or, you know, some content that was captured, and
that was it. That was content.
It just hit the ball running, whatever it is, and people loved it. Now you need so much more pizzazz for any capture of audience.
Crazy retention and keeping things cutting all the time, and it's just like the style of editing and content is so different now because it's all about retention and keeping people just watching and scrolling. So it's a different world, that's for sure. However, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That was day 6 of our 12 days of Christmas, so make sure you stay tuned for the ones coming up after this and as we lead up to Christmas Eve and the festive period. We hope you guys enjoy, so make sure you do leave a like, comment, subscribe. And Mel, do you have anything to say before we hop into the next one?
Alan!
Alan!
Ow!
How?
Alan!
Kitty cat, kitty cat. Meow.